starting from daily, we can clearly see that the bullish push we have in the last couple of days, breaking all the way up here. Now, as a target, I can only mark this one in daily, and let's make it as a target area. All right, then we would like to move into H4 to have a clear view. Now here's the thing. As of right now, H4 is still bullish. As long as this candle doesn't end up being like this bearish. If this one turn out to be bearish like this, then it will be a bearish internal order block which will act for the price to move bearish, be it till this area or till this order block. So as of right now, I am bearish. I am bullish. It has like 2 hours for this candle to close. Let's see how this one turn out. And then comes the H1, in which you can clearly see the bearishness we have in here. But still, as daily is saying that we are bullish. Oh my gosh. So anyways, as daily is saying that we are bullish, I would like to match with that idea, unless H4 ended up being bearish engulfing candle, and this whole one turned out to be a bearish order block. So far I am, oh my god, I am bullish. All right, so here's the thing. We have this sweep of low, after which I would like to see. Now the thing is, all I want to see a market structure shift bullish. We have this swing low which has been taken, not the swing low, just say it a liquidity. Now this one is remain. So here's the thing, we already have this couple of order block here and inverted fairly gap. So what I want to see is price moving bearish first and then react bullish. That is where I would like to move like this. So this is the long plan for the next couple of hours, unless the H4 close. Now if H4 close bearish, then the whole plan would change perfectly. Where the fuck is my indicator? Oh shit. So if H4 close bearish the way it is right now, then this one has been taken liquidity. We have this inverted fairly gap. I would definitely just wait for price to move here and then either just execute in this area, it would be an aggressive one, or I would like to wait for price to have a push toward bearishness while putting my SL here, and TP will be either in this area or in this one. So let's see how this one turn out. Here we go, another day. Starting from daily, we can clearly see that price is respecting the bullishness from this area. And by the way, there ain't any zone which is going to defend this move. So yeah, pretty much we are going to be free till this PDA. And if I take a look at the H4 to align with daily, then I can clearly see there is no zone, but still overall structure wise we are bullish in this one as well. Then comes the H1. Now if I have to mark any area, then I would like to mark this one first of all for bullishness, and then I don't really see any fair value gap in here. Now let's move into M15. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. We have this market structure shift. I don't really need anything to say on this one. It's pretty much, yeah, that's it. All I want to see is price making a move here and then moving straight bullish. So higher time frame stack up bullishness. Now in lower time frame, what I want to see is price either making a move first of all and then having the push. That is where I would like to look at M1 for extra confirmation. Otherwise I will just move like this. Or if price just move bullish, then I would like to wait for a pullback in M1 again. Or if price move all the way down, sweep, and then shift structure, then I would also be bullish. Unless H1 create any type of market structure shift in bearish, I'm bullish. Okay, so this is how it went in EU. First of all, we had this H4 close bearish, which, as I have said, that if H4 close bearish, then I would like to look for a retest and then move toward this area. And yeah, that's what it happened. Let's take a look at the lower time frame, like M15. We'll have a better view. So here's the thing, as I have said, that if H4 close, then it will be perfectly accurate with this current price action, that we have the sweep of high and then mark structure shift. So I would like to mark this one as the order block. So I put my order there while having my SL above this order block and TP in here, and we can clearly see what happened afterward. We have this massive push in one candle. I got my TP, and then price followed the overall high time frame structure and daily everything. So we got this move, and I didn't take anything because I had my W from this one. So after that, if I take a look at the MNQ, then we can clearly see yesterday it has been bearish for the first 45 minutes, or whatever you want to say, or for the first half hour. So as my plan was bullish because price were sitting at this area, so let's take a look at the M5. We had this engulfing candle. I went to M1 and I made a mistake, also paid the price for it. So the mistake first I made was that I'm supposed to wait for a pullback, and that didn't happen. It just, I was expecting to have a pullback. I was predicting to have a pullback instead of having a pullback and then reacting with it. So yeah, it was my mistake for jumping in with full risk. Also, I took a huge loss over there. But then price broke below this area. This is the whole. Uh, this was the whole swing lows. Price closed with body while creating an engulfing candle at M5. So I jumped into M1 to see whether I get any confirmation or not. And since there was an engulfing candle at M5, so I marked this order block and waited for price to reach there and then have a pullback. Price made the pullback. I jumped in while having my SL above, and TP could have been here, but I decided to put just a little bit above there. So yeah, it was a good one. It was on another account, not the same account as this one. And the reason is pretty simple, that I had a hit on that account, so I don't want to get hit another time. So yeah, that's how it went. At the beginning of the week, this account has been going well, and now at the end of the week, this account is at break even of this week, but this one is going well. So let's see how upcoming week turn out.